Thirsty girl. In other news, in California, we're down to $4.95 for gas. Retro. What the hell did that happen? I'll explain what we're doing and where we're going in here in a second, after I dodge all this gravel. The problem is we can't get out over here. Where in the hell are we going? Well, if you guys are care or not, that was the hospital on base. No, don't go this way. We're gonna go all the way around. Oh, come on. Dude, get over. His bike is super loud, but it's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Can y'all see me on the Harley? Probably not, but I think it's really nice. Yeah, I don't know, like out of all the bikes that are here right now, I love that one the best. It's, I don't know, it's just so clean, like everything about it is clean, and I like the saddlebags aren't huge. Anyway, let's get into today's video, shall we? Today's video may be a little bit short. So now we're going on a ride. We don't really go that far. We typically stay in the general area, and it's free day at work. I'm off of work. Well, you suckers are working right now on a Friday. I'm off. Riding motorcycles. We're literally getting paid to ride motorcycles. That's how everybody puts it. Anyway, I get off topic really, really easily. It's my tiny brain. So basically, I'm like the only sport bike out here. So I gotta hold down for my people, my sport bike people. I don't have the most expensive bike, nor do I have the nicest bike. Nicest bike is opinionated. I think his bike is the nicest one out of everyone's. There's a couple Yamahas in here. There's the FZ07 up front, and an MT10R. So it's basically an R1. But like I was saying, yeah, it's a bunch of different bikes. Mostly like cruisers, some Harleys, some, I think a Vulcan or something. I don't know all these Vulcans and Yamaha cruisers that they make. I know nothing about them. I'm ignorant to them. But yeah, I'm the only sport bike. Uh-oh. What happened? Uh-oh.
She's not even moving. I think my clutch went out.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not moving at all.
The clutch went out. This thing is got more power now.
Is it a hydraulic clutch?
I feel that. There's like nothing.
Oh, yeah. You're getting nothing. There you go.
Steve, I ain't got it. You got it. Clutch. No way. Damn it, man. Where's your key at? Oh, it's in this side here.
One eternity later.
Vince, are they open?
Yes.
Carter, fuck.
No! No! I need a push start. Do you have a jump pack by chance?
Yeah, I do.
Can I borrow real quick? What's up?
You guys leave it on too long or what?
I left it on and the fan was running, so.
I was thinking, I was like, dude, if we got 2 dead bikes, it's probably a sign we shouldn't run.
So I'm not entirely sure where we're going. Just kind of along for the ride right now. I don't even know how long this video is going to be. It's probably going to be a pretty short video. I say that all the time, and all of a sudden 15 minutes later I'm still editing. I wasn't even going to film, but honestly, look what I caught. I caught someone smashing through a tree. Wanted to do is his bike, I think his clutch locked up, or kept locking up. My bike failed to start, so at least I caught something, right? It's crazy how everything's just brown. I haven't been up here, God, it had to be about 6 years now. I used to come up here all the time when I first moved to California. And then I just had too much close calls where I was sliding, so I was like, you know what, screw it. Found Highway 1, Mount Town, Stinson Beach. Found all those spots, never looked back. Plus, it's a lot cooler out there. Not sweating your dick off, or vaginas off for my lady riders. Go back. I'll go get him. Someone hit a tree. Yeah, as soon as I came around the turn, I turned around, I was like, oh, let me make sure everyone, and then I saw him come off.
And you're like, what? Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Because as soon as I turned and looked, I saw him go off. I was like, oh, shit. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll send you the video, because I think I have you crashing. Yeah, I turned, as soon as I turned back after coming out of here, I turned back and I just saw you, whoop, just straight into the tree.
Hey, man, yeah, but over here, then, like, fucking 10 feet.
Yeah.
Oh!
Damn.
Everything works.
I'm trying to catch him. I'm like revving, and he's just like, just like.
I was like, saw that shit. I was like, oh yeah. That was the only way you were like.
Yeah, I kept revving.
No more bad shit happens, okay?
Yeah. I think.
No bad shit. Hey Ryan, you two go, and then I'll stay back with Gianosa and then we'll just, because I think between the 4 of us, we're probably the most experienced.
Yeah. I think our bikes can handle a lot more.
That way, if either him or I have to come catch y'all, one of us will be.
Okay, sounds good. Well, that was interesting. Look, see, never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. I think he said the turn just surprised him, which, I mean, that turn surprised me too. Grab some food. It's hot. I'm gonna take my helmet off. I'm dying, sweating so bad, and I'm about to be copyrighted.
Eventually.
Oh man, I had some good food. Good food. Had me some pancakes, some eggs, some bacon. The first time I had breakfast in a very long time. Granted, it was 1:30 in the afternoon, but you know, we're on our way back. I mean, once we get onto the highway, it's just, I'm gonna be f***ing out. Doing, bro? F you, bro. Pulls off into this lane, and then he just jumps over to my lane like nothing, like doesn't care. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. That nothing extravagant happened, even though we had a breakdown. I couldn't start my bike. We had a crash. Oh man. But you guys already know what to do. I need each and every single one of y'all to tell this guy to go. You know what else I need you guys to do? I need each and every single one of you fine ladies and gentlemen watching this video. I need all of you to stay hungry, stay humble, and as always, your boy Machine here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again.